In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your fog light bulbs on your Chevy Colorado. They're located inside the fog lights. We're going to start by unplugging it. Using a flathead screwdriver, you're going to slide it underneath and pry it out. Disconnect it, put that off to the side. Now we're going to remove the 2 bolts on the top with a 10mm socket. Our vehicle's pretty rusty. I put some rust penetrant on there. Remove that bolt. Our other one is broken. And now we're going to take this down. After you remove the fog light, you're going to need to take out this plastic grommet in order to spin this enough and get it out. So we're going to take this one out using a flathead screwdriver or a trim tool. And then you're just going to shift it up enough to be able to spin this enough, this bulb here. Now you're going to turn it. And remove it. We're going to install our new one. Make sure that the bigger tabs line up with the bigger tabs inside. So there should be 2 big ones and 1 small one. I'm going to make sure it's seated in there properly. You can use some dielectric grease. Once it's in, you're going to push it in and turn it down. And now we're going to reinstall this. Push this in, and we can put the whole fog light assembly back in the car. I've replaced both my clips with new bolts. You can do the same if you have a rusty situation and things break. They're just slide-on clips and bolts that fit in. Moving on, we're going to put this on. You're going to line up your holes up here with the holes in these clips. I'm going to do the inside one first. I'm going to put my bolt through and make sure it lines up with that clip. You can get your bolt started and do the same on the other side. You might have to wiggle it around a little bit. I'm peeking in underneath so I can see when that bolt is starting to thread through. Now that I got them both started, I'm going to tighten them down. Once you get those snugged up, you're going to connect your connector on the bulb. Push it on, it should click, and you're good to go. You can do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.